I was aware of, later on, of Kristallnacht. I read about because we got the tug, I read about the Nuremberg laws, and, but you know what? We didn't believe everything. I said, this is propaganda. And even to the end, I remember reading, this is a little bit later on, 2 million people were killed in camps. Can't be. You can't kill 2 million people. This is like in World War I, the Huns did this and the Huns did that. So I was a little bit aware, but it wasn't a major part of my. I was more aware of the Spanish Civil War than what was happening to the Jews.